Do not listen to emergency alerts at 3:17 a.m. last night. My phone buzzed at exactly 3:17 a.m. Not a call, not a text, an emergency alert. It said, "This is a test. If you can hear this, they can see you." I froze. Then it played audio, breathing, slow, wet, right next to the microphone. The alert continued, "Remain still. Do not look behind you." My TV turned on by itself, static. Then words appeared on the screen. "He moved." My phone buzzed again. Final alert. Test complete. The next morning, there was a fingerprint on my ceiling. I live alone.